Hello, agus fáte hiic na seanslaí mas maiileh seansa lácu ghlachiad na seanslaí. Is mis Hugh go leada agus a sé an fashion accessories mó a tá mis caiú an chatting seo na sweat patches. Tá se cho sé a hanla tíléna tógam tus go homlan scristanis cé chu sé is a tá seo. So má ecinn tú mé énet an chatting seo le na dhé circle allhór faoi mohad nátar aon judgment arm le há na bí genuí máú arm, cos tá sé just an aon brehannas. It's nairach, tá sé cho nairach. Tá man seo mars le mu cóleachí le cardide ar dúspáir tá seo le aine bhuiir aine d mar tú.
Ní bheith cinse dé siad chluisle an tidbit sin
No,
arm. No, Jenam se rud Hugh bín cíol cuagam agus caiim deodorant. I don't know chuúla tú faoin ar dí se. Oh, well.
My tispad on deodorant, mo dry impact 72-hour protection. Lies!
Gobar.
Ní fiú seach le dá bummate.
Ar chuúil tú riomh faoi gcuoine a aon Botox faoine láha mar go godín sé leis an talas a stopú.
Yes.
Beidir gá de sin dhéanamh.
Well, so normal a dingy fusion and Rodathon is then like can actually change on the head. That's my concern. Mono was a chat them all as the for the Dlaw the can listen and Rocha it's Brega. It doesn't last half as long as it says it does. I'm talking for you thing not last as long as much as he says he does. The much off has the let James of fire the James Jimmer that.
Yeah, come on. Don't the intros of fall níos réalaach agus níos réalaach. So sin go má. Bhí rá seachtú dó úra chluig an deodorant sin, seachtú dó bommite bhí se gaibh broite, as usually bí mise seachtú dó second. So
Yuck.
Yummy.
Yeah, oh, go má tá cinní tuirse fós éis deir seachtain bhí am, but yeah, tá mise brás as go gréan na mó, sí scala fáil tens as ó hain. You see, tá muinte chunamara hí Spanish Inquisition seo, tá míonach na Spáinaí and then, you know, ní bhíon muid chorálas seo, bí muid cinál duna tango beag sí a go trá go mácha sin sa dólín I ggéir bheith snábhthart agus cúla láf sa teas seo. So, you know, méad is smúgaíon tá muid an all baby sin a chuis rára.
Sinna fág go mín taín tá hartsa go maiin ar hí na gréine mai.
Yeah, ach is an farmers down at term do ní really pheromone really econwar so so teach mai an bagman tan or choid nu is more bortoch leis t-shirt agus go
agus fuil na Spáine tá an clearly.
Yeah, well like the well brother tá ma air gebánas neachta tá mar offer gebánas neachta sin tá so fred am agus mór sin tá mus bugní níos tent ma there. So I think we're a couple Spáineach mo sin rosmuk leling mo bloodline agus go cinál go chuise deisteach agus go you know
Pablo Florida
go Rodriguez a kins nu
Nílas go mar inch mé seo Dave ach dúach a gcóí lumsa fás níos gur fuil Spáine thuganne sa chláán mar tá coppla colcair agam tá siad crackan an duracha acu agus just lachmuid leis mar gurirt you know moami mórlanne as der tio yeah han sal leis an Spanish armada agus for ma antin cean na pástalcha sin gentle le Janie ar
ancestry.com 23andme yeah
no caní puncaní fangéid ar na níor ag mu iadí mór le gorman níor ag chláán le gorman as níor ag chláán moami mór dúnaáil chuige fangéid dúnaáil chuige fangéid le gorman si fuil mo antin
in
bread
yeah
well bhá céad fan géad version éidir that's absolutely for sure. A bhí the raw actually funny enough we I think it's just an go fun is funny on ach na héidir na dúchasach fad is grúig dorcha agus actually cinná crackan dorcha bhí acu agus I sin for sin níos fér le a tháinig na Normans agus
na
Vikings in the Lochlanní go héing agus go bina fá go bhfuil mu fáte níos ciile yeah so agus bhí siad ar níos gcuilín an na gcuilí a hain
So mas sinna cast an cé net gur dagam na redheads as cin gur danig si nas nó
sinna na siógaí
na siagaí a grú
na creambeg siúgaí you know, like a walk through you've like in fairness, a walk through you've baby ginger. No. So I think it just took to the mach as cron like a chuig blian a gaish and then just a gas or ginger on. And then boom. So it's just I think a shiogi the gingers look.
Síle fecem níos grotas a géisteach go mór I do chud lécht í fortú ó le solíir mar sin faoin siogí.
Oh, Kate fin Kate.
Yeah.
Sure. Tá mai seo éan os gan na gailh fiú láid agus tá mai just, you know, tá just, you know, óra lilis fós hart agus cant fin siú.
Ní sé marú tá sé fós sin.
No, retired.
Could be actual to Lilis.
Retired.
Will Lilis in her scar? Oh my god.
Is na fá catú gúnaí nu túiste in áras an gail seo catú bheith gúnaí I dró dún an gáil. So sorry to my seat, Joe.
Yeah, go let's go, please.
Yeah, go let's go.
It's probably Lilis.
Yeah, it's probably Lilis. Actually, it was like a more on ranks in the Weimar. Like go chonig make an error this blina. As just as my concert. Home my selfie lash. As come use my Instagram actually just use my this lad talks about fairies. Shouldn't just in caption you.
Shouldn't past yeah.
Yeah.
So whole gamma going either chain to ignore this is facting to like the ear wound charge with the machine go Harry like trivial gum so like our man skull the a vacuum he's ignore it's not really much for bun skull but yeah and they're acting to you because obviously to like I can't be anyway like the Oakland donor or row like to you know into the rear and into the one like a screed or I guess I should fact to egg and artist and he's like that dude crack it's a whole just do echo blah 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 and you're like this is dinge go homeland the fruit
Si don't go mean she'd an sásta muid echo lan mar dóibh sin it's like Jerry Lynn dul bhaim mar thu leis an Gaelic agus mat dartha mat muid ag obair trí bhean na Gaeilge like being sort brother who agus kind of like yeah rinne muid job so good nig Arthur an man school.
Well, bhí sé grammar bhí tá running at sin dó go bhhain tún an fáinneár in gailtatí like má íonn tú leat like gen tú like scrúdú agus íonn tú leis an fáinneár eile whatever. Tá rud sa bhála ar bhainnim an ardchastas and it's basically an fáinneár ach gan an fáinne and it's sean like chastas an nearan go like Gaelic dúchas run the farste agad or whatever. Agus níró sogan sa faoi seo because like obviously níor bhíine aon thing you do there bhí shit in the choníonn sin agus sin there bhí má gobar an sin sa Gaeltacht like sa cháiste they're just óhhaid a chuir se an ardchastas and I was like yeah sure imagine aon rud eile like just bhí just córá gom le sean lad seo atá as a cheantar agus tutar an ardchastas dú agus níró sogan sa seo bhí hanig tras sogum like oh my god cóthir just like tá daoine a bhíon ag genú iirecht na haid blianttí leis an ardchastas sinna eil. And like it's like rud allwar like go way into an ardchastas is to like Sagelta there's like Austra. And I was like, oh my gosh, in class, so why am on the wallet? Like derma la mum. I was like, oh mum, firm on ardchastas, and she was like, so? She was like Jaron Shaw go like around the forest but it's asked around the forest to who? Like
Get over yourself.
Get over yourself. Literally, like, Kane fa I meant to sass the go piece of pepper of it and yarn and rod a V ogud o V2 Marlianov. As in, like, it's like they're hooked her, like, they're hooked her, like, running it to, like, cohard just to do non like oxygen analu, like, it's like.
Is the equivalent go participation medal done?
Literally. Dude, and obviously, to dingy on. As tíbh muotar an the forest muil tag da ham blian agus like Manchester son which is like the tiispan go like the tour and val and then an ardchastas is like the the cream of the crop or whatever agus much Angie on there agus tag rash gap blian agus bedroom new vesh like go we should like sé jig na shock jig could you go into the charts the shot any a chalk we should like 3 jig and so Dave like fair play to his Thusa it was just like who cares. Caiimid actually a country life a gael is country a curve I'm gael Caiimid farhain lo an chatting shaw far bhí anmór is seal na gaelic agus a seal a culture and cheer agus sinné míle mar hartaí háimid chatting shaw bhí má shocked like near firma and rud RT news like just near masú leis ar Harbí. Tá go se like nacha trí Harbh nacha cethir. Ach go fáil bhí se ar nós like ó dhé like chailmuid singe whole táhachta is síl an tíir agus síl holter an seo. Go háir like that's a Mohim James because obviously bhí se whole such as a sport. Like that's a like céin céin like móháin a bhí agad.
Yeah, actually bhfuil se socht trom to be fair. Like ní hol matá gur sé tí ná mar é. Yeah, it's just shock to the system beyond like no chuimas tú rud a bit like iconic is seal the CLG is sé go hinú sé Mícheál Ó Muircheartaigh TV it's a hero like is sin an glór a chluistear nar a chuime tú siar na dásmuointe tad le úsad éon duine ó rudí hála gon chearú agus i gimmer sé televís nó chun na galbhir is i gimmer i chluí ceannis agus rudí mar so like it's like mental like go nachhfuil se go riomh bheit a cloiste ar aon cluthe i ríos go broch le a chuisisin like is bhí se nucha trí but like bhí se fósan an posteíonna ní seánna aonidir ar televís i láharnaúide bhí se hí na choirí sáte sa CLG like fiú an fí an sin gginan te faoin sandwich like tá se ag láirt faoi tá sandwich mar pork peige tá tomatoes mar imróí agus sin tá an lettuce mar an PC fair as smallish an glasa eá like it's just is duine tá a ran tú sús gotí agus tá tú gur a bheith cosú le like tá bhachtú ná an éon carú gon síl trochtachta sin a bheith ad bhachtú probably éáid idir an darn agus an cúú trochtar is seár a bhí in éing a riomh because tá sé an ihrí hían agus ní éontar na gáil a sin bhaint way to be honest.
No. Tá bhí se cean le ar nós like ar a chailr like sean ar na rudí mar sin ar like like it's cean that don na daoine sin de héal a gapan tú óla choilehhéin sin go jaw agus go háiríonn a teis a hó site like is síl like stare and cheer like a Jeremy Sport like the smuitiúr like a CLG so tú smuitiúr like na rudí smó a hála i d cheantar it's glór Mícheál Ó Muircheartaigh a cluisian tú Careful san nervví tú smuitiú. I know nach mín chláir Jenna go maiid go minic so
Jesu kindly. It was class and there's actually gotcha.
Yeah, but sin jape sin ceir blion jig in the gur ddíir seas an past. Sean wrote in dhéanamh sa Jarmas fi fast like ddíir seas an past I dhéhfuil sa jai. So they bhí seo 8 ddíir seas an past whatever. But like still like nar ceam tú the grad like oh my god dinge cover could go to 8 like that's like mental or whatever. But go háirí an pasta te like whole with the cur scale fantastic gro an an ennig go mai sin. Tá sé just cracklete. But sorry.
Dús is just mar an ggéine ag géiste leis fas níos a gáir a an deir seachna an radioúsú agus just gosaige bhí se có synonymous le a bheith garcar ar an bail le cluhí trón is curíos go an go maihiad. Bud rud a haan go mórlam faoi go maiin a cogéileachs bhí sé ar bhelaí eile bhí sé có broadú las as cultúr na hhéann agus fiú actually chud na cuimhní agam ó a rí COVID nar bhí sé ar an late show. I don't know an cuimhnimh seo ach bhí suirt aglú cóspéisialta aige le Ryan Tubridy mar leir sé fhína bháim agus fhína bháile agus bhí ahrital fao leithiige ó na bháim faoi dúiseach le dúthracht le brachan le faoi dúsí ahan le lá le suppose bheith dearfach agus lá na foiinniu agus enthusiasm I suppose as just bhí Iscoil man tá rital sin hosí ahananta le bhain dúsá as mar go go speisialta agus éagsúil agus sin just an sin éisian sort in nutshell na bheith bhí sé just lán le foiinniu agus dearfacht agus just tí me go sin ní speisialta mar rud le ra gothirtha mar gcóir se an bháimie.
Yeah. I mean it's salir like I don't know a task daoine on like a Harry like the man in Aaron agus task good gur could be like parson tá acu na could be like stíl atácu go dagan se like as an Gaelic or like as a bheith like tógus a bhilteach there could be rud mar sin agus ní mar ra like gohfuil daoine as an Gaelic níos fear na haning eile but I'm not saying that's not the case. But no, but like obviously like an dóis like an dóin an scéal chu an tasí an card sa bhí aige like the dingy cé go oscailte sa bhí se like imel fphobal like le a máscan fphobal like you know like bhfuil me se leis you know ag chluiche duna ná dhéhh sa dóig agus just bhí se an cáiste a hanaine agus bhí se just ar nós liflí ar nós sa dóig cearna sin like just mar ar nós ceil cé nach ró é áitne go ar like bhhuaí tú go fear aithne go ar do bhhair ar an dóid bhí se ceanna sin so níor éon like oglarm Lord rih bhí se just chomháscail agus chocardúil agus choflaithil le amsaige so tá sé just really jazz ceall ceall an ómós in atá a hanig tuairtá ar bhfuil se leis ar Harbí bhfuir se sean spúil leis réo ná
No, níor bhfuil me se réo leis mór an teorí.
ar a drochúir bhí me ag na stáid bhí se trochtdracht an se dé bud ná ní bhfuil mar leis comparaanta ach sin freisin le gus tú fós níos le mar den óg dat tú i dochlegan dat tú cloisteáil trochtaí agus tú gearh i chur an líró tar trás ná nu geach as cool sé glór mí mar chuirtíhí dochlegan sin ru a bhí amsa agus sin bhí sem bhringó amsa do bh máach má is má fós an níos go mó mé marchirtaí trochtart a cean go mochas chluí i drochúir deidir asní me chéir blian ag dí so ní cheapan gur go park chochanna go trochtartíína under 14s match go an cearú ach bhí sem bhringó amsa go gotí cumarspenalta híos Peter sa daingen nu sa bhiltocht tí sa géiríonú chin mar se na trochttartán is goach chearú gimmers nu ag gnám cuiimú ag gnám sin gur tú gur leach má gims goráile is go mar se fós trochttracht ach is rá is go cean de trochttarcht hín daoine fás níos ran na mertí marsaí ach le go duine as óhiltocht agus aontainna le tegan na gaige a fás níos agus a sportúil sé bhíal mar chuirtaí bhí aine fás níos agus níos an bhfuil aontainna i bhfuilge nú mé le chomála sin is a bhíns just cho iconic sin i meán i ítás agus i just cool de chin agus tú gimmert is Park Spree go bétá do chluigan agus é chu síos ar céirde tá túana sin fá chin ar a cleacht amsa hí struggle amsa le canas tú anáil as mé goláiste ní struggle a bit bham le canas hií mé ar méid sport mé brandwer méall Ederson so icon más amach is still sport is still gaige agus hí ís bloige sin rud bháin lerá hí iste ige ach i cum cin níos bhés duine tá tú gáil i de visal agus sin rud bháin bhés an adam as bhain go mór mé mar chuirtaí
den tá áing gro se agin hófáda is a bhí se agin le chail me sin móid seantas mar ar an datíh le nervhí me le 6ág I think like in kin journal where se bas nerv me like chipler quick jig na sé jig better even fiú níos áin leis an éis whatever so anna bhfuil a dinge bhil go fáil like seanhir sa go beán na seanahir sa go bhí whatever like could be dinge tá going like chun táhh go siad go fáil agad agus tú ag bhí se bhil tú na a bheith agad chuád se agad agus I think just móí meidir fád like mar tír go ró an táhhar an gro mí mar hartí agin like chofáda sin agus dí bhéile hit an éis
agus an éirecht tá fách ige marhí sin a ra go Jo ní any dinnerbí jammerder agus ní bheith a lethe an ríis
agus má mus go tad a thuig é is má tú réitar sandwich ní chead triangles díach gláán lábáide sin méid
go le bhí sin le chuis sin go le America agus bhí sin ahanet bhí se literally I think mar chuann tú se like Irish ASMR sin cin na ced rudí atágan so ní má go le
Tá sé cóciút tá sé cóciút a ní
literally tá just an seir YouTube agus chumáiste Irish ASMR agus an ced rud atágan suas na míle mar hartaigh ag genú an capra agus tá 3 milliún raircaige ar YouTube sin dá chráite le I'm telling you leach in ahan le né a síl aige bhí sé mar le sa kistin na Iron Bark bhí se go homlan mar
Get yourself a man that can do both.
an ru se riomh ggurcar ASMR actually just a ggurcar in the a lein rairchaníonn seo agus tá daoine tá lein ggurcarí seo and being very weird.
Yeah, so rinne me actually taide fa chunne mástracht mar go muine sé go mór le well I suppose commerceáidir bhealach agus na fuiimena faoi lei a haín le daoine faoi lei agus cean na samplaí bhí an ná an nílas go an coimhann le na fí an Marks and Spencers agus
yes
an ceol like agus bhí starts like beidir óbh frochu ar an banna nó I gearú onion nó wach a caiithú a hart agus just bhí na fuiimena comálta gur ahan rá le ógur ochras arthú I gghearcar ar an bhí an ach nó chuim mé níos fuide istehan níos daine iste sa taide íann sé an creepy. I mean an stuff a haín le daoine like tá sé aisteach go bhfuil fuiimení bí go ggurann sin.
Oh like, yeah, like he
turns people on like yeah being she'd hit ta curnial durcha den Idirlín gur ceart a hakent.
Tá an seo ar cin just nar mar stra Irish ASMR tá cin da ban ag dearan seo ASMR Irish Gaelic triggers and it's ban saistahil ag just a red like Giadich or God be with you. But it's literally an ruddy testíon and Ked and Fishan is Kyle Taki or YouTube channel Taki na ASMR girlfriend lotion massage in bed.
Yeah.
Like near get Gurkershin to relax. Like no one is chilling out the vacation shop.
Yeah, so fuck a one was at a topic show.
Mícheál Ó Muircheartaigh, obviously.
He's the king of ASMR.
Ham sandwiches. I'm actually going to show Hugh because it's so you can watch it in your own private time.
Tá céiming gailge tá whispered short stories as gailge. Intense and during in brackets. Intense close-up mouth sounds. Yeah, brother.
What if this in Yamajinga Podchraoladh Onglan 3 ASMR? Like the Near the Budget podcast or FOD. Marsha and Erachin Latingi and what do you think you saw Tashin?
She look quite much more story or she look at that like Lordini.
I think they earned it to say any they would. I don't think the Michigan's James have that same sort of tone to glory.
I will be honest. Actually overrun no matter a second or so.
James Appleton, you know, we'll go with the cooking each that's a microphone.
Nimalum on topic show. Can we swiftly move on, please?
Tá Lordini agus is fulo an uim like current stahar na clúsa. Ag sin gur James better than a cushion.
Yeah, moving on. Okay, keep them James there. Let's go with it.
Sorry, Kane from Marisha, just to double check. Kane from Nakwil did look you. I get you.
I feel like you're trying to catch me out.
No.
That James got across the line.
I know, I was too much aggression entirely. God forbid.
You don't want to see me angry. You don't want to see me angry.
Rar. Shouldn't I been James? Rar.
Or is it? You don't want to see me angry.
Yeah! Yes. So Jerry shouting shot to my golly fhéile Ponc. Agus léma shot da anya hana, but rodon go caiitú síniu le Alice chat taking rud shot agus it's just slightly concerning dúsa ar aon those.
Yeah, I just Albert cared nach clúdi so orchas. Cared that tú libel íana.
Well Sean Rudd, I think agus méid síniu seo níama liable da aon arachas in is ní smó na aon like you know ní féadlumm like dulthig aon cuairt do bhhair seo ní léim an rud amach cos tá sé sais fáda but basically
bod an is ceann gona féalta go leige that is like mosh pit pandemonium like
yes
been like you know okay yeah oh jeez rán am ar an ghead daoine sin a bheith bhelum like
Well, níl aon barrier idir an Mícheál agus an slua. So it's literally just to like stage a gun, whatever, but níl aon barrier or harbion.
So does completely in the realms of possibility go will Marspit in an equal har4 agus basically on Mícheál a chuirslob mar muim more as an aige agus it disappear.
To be honest, dá couple dunne te an ní saote dífa a dul a crowd surfáil ná te se le bheith because bín daoine brú Swiss an staite, so then bín art just léim Swiss an staite le bheith an anlú, and then níl aon dá eile sí a go ach le léim just jazz slua, like níl non fáil se, you know, níl aon splason that you can just squeeze yourself back in. Tá art léim just ja.
Should that like it just it happened good it just mental homes right now no height was amach they miss go so tá mo chorp kin on nom like
yes
like so tu kin like in the jam with them all like even
Lucy
even much really test shummer as better like oh geez my corals he should like couple doch the jam go chat agus chin need to corals ní smooth that is a go absolute chaos show.
Yeah,
completely sober. I mean, didn't we should touch on this? My career to be my like, Asian, please. So, like, need some kick you to show you the completely sober.
Agus willingly faster, as in like shin and road to my Gary and it like to my Gary they the Lion road.
But knock meg to kind of knock meg aglert go me sort a panical is slew immersion. Mar just miss go person to by panic attack go and it's made shandini.
So like vein nur testing do my college jar I really immersion then to calculator like testing like I know that's what I'm signing up for, so like Neil and Mage Uglish arm the Urwan Shaw actually got a very naira the Urwan a V MD arm fui a vesti and slua and it was a wire Phoebe Bridgers at Fairview Park. No intro that came flat because the so bhí man sin agus bhí se whole package stíon sin like bhí se whole coché, but bhí ahanning brewer buircheile, but bhí barriers on snuro aon dinge and on bogu hartner bhí the stíon sin, so bhí daoine like a chichmer like it like an tamar fan like just hánig má like cangní agus chichmer agus bhí mise like gro Michigan chichmer like it the wear ar an chas agus and you know man on anlú like a stíon sin like so sin uhain a bhí me like oh my god like tá actually chun buáil is tíon seo but a gohain sin like no like tascum céin 6 gig tá galig agus tascum go méid seo like chuim a haig LCD Sciences in London actually tá chun déis feice go muis a ríis faoin am an agrad seo má, but chuim chun ní decail in London agus bhín slua crackalte mar scra díalta in Brixton sa O2 Academy in Brixton agus in sin like 3V in the sin bhí crush sa slua sin ag gig an chat eile agus fuair daoine buas as in like go like fuair daoine chat buas like ag gig a bhí slí san áit cearna a ro mise an venue cearna bhí mise ag the wear and méid daoine bhí stíl agus but like you're ain oglarm na Nero ain like imniarm living making giction. I probably should have now a Gurkha rasher I probably should have like
agus tu gin sin na scéalta seo dú tá me ri gear your clogad a caiú deir seachta seo ag an ceoltar agus túir cuman leat go maiid le daoine bhúlú hiúla
back
mar bé bé de dhearfar fáil gléchuirt a ra ó tá me san hospital le concussion an seo bhil den ag i mo chunne just ní mé a jinxal ach fecum rud ag an áil gotarlú agus
well ní féidirlumm concussional mar goma ag dul he gigging chat eile I London in le dar gin so a gig ó de Mícheál a teag senim ag an féile cearna ach go senim ar an saharn agus dí féidir dul ar an saharn so tá siad san tuis senim in London ar an lún so tá hán iad a eáil an leisin in áit so
concussion or no concussion beit tú dul ceol chum céad leile
Oh yeah, gotcha. Yeah. Gotcha. Yeah. No, absolutely. It's
Oh my
Anya,
God.
it's balance and composure. Nemach an calium.
Fiú an téanaar go agus muotí mar gro sé ro le garú ag ceolchrum ná ag na bhfuil tóns in airí ag an picnic
Oh,
lecture.
picnic, yeah.
Bhí arm siú le hiúil. Bhí mé i lár bhí sé rohé hí nó mar go daoine bhí mé sílam go ron merte goibh in aclam nó bhí hiú síos fphobal. Bhí James Gardomsa as bhí mar de nach le cean na nó na sranganí a chunín so bhí duine armrú daoine armrú iste sa srang as bhí se actually inta nimhnach le ahanú bhrú den na hairn bhí mune brúteiste agus just bhfuil me like má anam se níos fuide either tuairí mé mata go éigen nó ba panic attack agam nó bé me gortathe so but géníirt an slúa ágal sin as dul trí de slúa leis an geolchar ágal ghlach sin hartar chuig nó méid deag sílam ní man na fiú tí sa fphobal
a bhí Hugh rá Thompson gron pobl actually níos suimhnach ná pobl bhí se ní like spás é daoine just a pobl ach tíh mó an Thompson like iris níom se go chorban dúnach sin agus cheap bhí man an choir do wathú as in like no na ile nach a bhí má fáil atíh daoine gur Harm daoine dúirteach daoine alles le hóbíhann friggin splash as friggin daoine bhí se chuite agus idirdrachúir ach what Brandon Miller, there's the main stage, so being here to go,
big glass blast again.
Be radius book on main, because you make the game in the just radius, so
give me my twirling zone.
Be who's our goalany James no Killian no Hugh, then again, guys near as be right gallant over the start.
Be Mr. Crowd surf a line, come on, show. Ní bhé mis in aclh.
Perfect crowd surfing music.
Exactly. God save Ireland. Mis an bled. But so sorry, and waver bhí arm sa síniu lá isteach an fhéile seo. Dearan seo Jenny míhil an áthú seo gaile because tá se gomla marla surprise tá se in Manchester. Sassney, fucking Sassney. Dearan goes there and show a bheith cho authentic as possible. Agus ag fáiste to Gary níos mó rudís safety measures occur iste chun dull and dóicear in our hostage. The essence and culture of a hardcore punk show is to have no segregation between the audience and the artist. It's that energy and interaction that makes this community so special. To facilitate this, whilst maintaining everyone's safety and well-being as priority, we have specially trained and experienced staff to help look after you, sin security agus doctory. We do have to make you aware prior to the show starting. Agus smilam is Bradam and Doig Hershey Cheeser shot. That the front section in particular will have a higher probability of crowd participation. So near answered crowd participation and rather this is the country na mosh pits, crowd surfing, pit killing. I will also pit killing.
No.
Bulakakas in a Laura pit.
Basically, yeah. It basically got a shot out of mosh pit. I was just like swing like a handing it to basically towards west the chain.
It just gets stupid. Matter that trallov.
Yeah.
Would it do that like gum shield?
Dúir mis se caiig clogad agus dúir caman leat.
Le
mar búlí den éigen a chligan.
Like tá chumis bh sus like gimmers pell ní cham gum shield a ríomh. Ach chiaaping go bod cinál mixed martial arts go marsh pit don show, so I think mocht my gero cinál gum shield like ní to my kinny kinse go nachwatch as a waiver go which it go on Step Brothers quote in the go no touching or the hair face. Been anchorman, sorry.
Anchorman,
yeah. No touching the hair face. So yeah, what struggle or such. Yeah. That would have to my kids going at 5 minutes waiver show.
So Neil are this bar came just right. Ní hé like done fhéile man. It's just a like and section contasi basically to be like so like
okay.
So it's fair that a flagal must mind that like that like ní bhé seo ar fad mar sin. It's just a sinné an actual I mean an actual dingy kind of a lame chart. Let's see if you enter the section you just with your own risk. you acknowledge that there may be certain dangers and hazards associated with your participation in the show. So it's like, listen, but the guy ever parts of the show, caiite sa ghlacu leis go on a bheith gartia. Accordingly, I represent that I'm physically and mentally able to participate and willingly accept the risks associated with entering the front section of the show. Galm nach bhfuil ein medical condition méte níos cáitinta go mé timpiste ogam ní dahar dúhéin ná do daoine eile. Glacham leis na risclí seo agus níamach chun ein gríomhíocht lí a ghlacu in éan an fhéile the where injuries sustained in this area, caused directly or indirectly at the show. So bhí arm sin na síú le tá sásta duliste agus ar go le páirtíal oscóir a hanlinge. So
méid go ddíglam rá na gosúla gom go dagan tú bháilíogan i bí soáin.
Ní féadlam galant dhéanamh sin.
No, tá gom na jig.
Ní féadlam ein galant dhéanamh sin.
Like deir seachna se gata dúir me se trí chluithe i trí lá agus fós cheaping go mé ní smú gortacha atsa is tucht as féidir ceol na bhí amsa as na chluí sin agus tá actual cidál imí am muis.
Fáin go dhéanamid an agran an seaachtaigh se thugann is me se síon full body cast like te chu jazz a bhérás. Bhín féile ruí jazz.
Bit aáin a fécul sa front agus is be iPad shirt agus
oh my god.
It's going to be a look anyways, I tell you that. So.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah, becoming like devil may care,
Oh, yeah.
Seans go dano sé go mór leis na gálaí.
I think Seansálaithe gin Jenny McKenna a séval or spedra go Sean or gin anima go full skinhead. An either end.
Full on bad boy.
But I think ma tatu Jenny sin bleach it, come on.
Bleach it?
Yeah.
No, I think New York can get my lash. I think Arkin Costa like not so Slim Shady. I think it come about arms so like then you're in the
actually do go wrong off the bed because of Slim Shady or actually down because the Marshall Mathers.
Yeah.
Fat boy Slim more like no Vitch and no the ending in bleach. But ring but Jenning and shaved head or ish.
Well the wadni smooth cracked talú dúidir seachtainna I gcumpráid le dúir seachtainna héins aine I'm pretty sure. But yeah.
Nach bhfuil se gáil Parkour Punk Festival fasta, no?
No, can't say it. Can't say I am no dúir seachtainna seo.
No, I think Brian Terry
Bidder Alex Swarren, I think gon with the
Tá mu actually got ag banis bléige.
Ag banis bréige?
Yeah, so sin fundraiser tá CLG Cearú dhéanamh. So just birth character as a baile tá sé a banis bréige leis birth acu it's just ícan tú sin tá sé bailú aigid gon chumán agus smuoine iontacha ach like bhí mahéins Carlum bhí a smuoinú like is banis bréige seo so begating rutcinn dhéanamh le se funny like agus like vi ma can't go the trainers usually like oh yeah to my put a suit way on the dry cleaners because there's the could ear and then the lanes because where the dapper like seems like oh shit kid that's in them so my hand because the car Tom was actually Imi as Bane was on more Dumb and Dumber as in the blue and the orange suits leis a hatta agus an céin agus tá sé ceannaing tá sé chuilead réiteing agus like tá actually fátas na seo métá neidir daoine go raibh lééis chomá agus sin an birds absolute flute seo I got a gáil le bright blue orange suits like
Sílam go mé mis actually a tafad ag an ócad so agus am súil nerd sin lei sin because tá be ábal a fine se ail le taisman a Hugh and Jack Jogan James
agus rud is mass faoi now like was that like format at Amazon in the suits like was that the way aggregate parties or whatever agus like tosha droch quality like so I think would like mála húsrum le brístí spáras iste on
right
because like níim se cá had the faoi horrible no níim se ach like like cycling shorts faoi go my phone agus mháil So like my ripple underneath and two the machas pants like the screwed. So yeah, bear got on because they're fucking backpacker and that but yeah. Yeah. With that níos normal go
Tá mis sé dul ag an banis brega.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
But you have to have it, so this is on flagal and the tomo, like that's just.
Féidir ná mé gurí fágal by the sounds of it. I'd take me an crack ínta stéin sin.
Yeah.
Ní seachar siúlhart an gcurneil ó hack, so
yeah, it's an ardlon.
Yeah.
Oh, Anya, that you got to be mesmerized by the Brian Terry, the Boston guru Brian Terry. Was that a Hoyal Brian Terry would go for 4 days straight, so it's going to be a party. Like,
wow, okay. Agus an molu is fear tugam dom hain ag an tafod seo na fanhí mé go dígúil coppla jo óta a handan agus an sin Jenny me na hagalú mar sílan just go mé. That'll be fantastic television. Tá mé chun aglú chuirta agus de cara atá a caiú an dasú.
Cin Tom go lá éis a job because tá mis sé tosaí cinál lua.
Oh, ínta, even better.
Because tá ormsa an misneach álas nach am chorp go mé man an abúsúir san as go daine bhés just abuse home meall ar ma suit. Ús a chuisisin. So níos mú Guinness a bhín sa stu. Níos mú
Cíle bhín mu.
Tá man an hóigeal agus a churmach. So yeah.
Okay, sure cuidín sin lumsa, so bit tú brabalt an na haglú inú lua glóir sa lá mar sin.
Oh, Luke Losa, yeah. Bhí mar rá bhí sé nach be cin hí storális be go. Was cool on dumber.
Wholesome content.
I'm raging nach mé ma igen amach sin ma hain. I think we'd have a cracker the oil like. You know. Kinner ma jing chun banish brega hianu. Sean McCash.
Actually, just Kinner Tom's got banish cart away and you
Ooh. James, I honestly thought your heel too other Michigan's this you were like Kinner Michigan's this about pasta. I was like Neil ending Alice these gang shop of pasta. So
Sin imi actually amsa le an deirseachtain seo na gapadíí go an bursa for posta na mise agus Colin na daine leis sin the outrageous suit like. So,
oh well.
Yeah. Oh well.
I think you might as well just like Kanye because like Bishin sorted nish bit an usage. A race is great.
Like Latin as Hugh Kahunert ta se vin ushers ag mo.
You must go very sloppy seconds like and suit shouldn't you know what I mean like shouldn't suit fire
no I think because so ag banish Angus Killian I think because runje avec les fear dapper ach go mé like mod mark like flower girl / page boy combo agus go mé was an like so baby like bum bagger agus go mé like can't go back mood agus go mé was on like twerk agus sin an face na flowers amach and then be was on the hand on my cans freshen agus was the shoe suas so like was that cans in the front flowers the back agus was shoe suas so I think yeah but
as could you find confetti bear just vabalta a winter mahas poke once a bum bag is a kaihu are going to show she's and I
no but like in confetti can flower yolks and visions that mach as a tool
as our those
the twerk on like yeah so it's like shake
you also can grow toin collager and march go live show
into my twerk
okay
bearms around on the hoigal good on banish but yeah I credum go my god over choma as man an ige tá gáil sinúsús go an Kim K Booty Camp go mé man an bheith brena go am chud piste agus tá mu sé all in
a Gary bheith booty licious son an banish son na
cúise is bralam an commitment James
son the booty. Lads, I think she'd go sin an bhfuil looking. Ar an nóta galanta sin sin ag ar maid éis is bheith geist an na seansaithe bhfuil rasrís go bhfuil a go dtí sin seo iad na man hosta mat scammage lands ar Instagram, Twitter, YouTube táid ar seansaí ar Instagram, seansaí ar Twitter agus seansaí ar YouTube mu gurí aine amsta man hosta tá si mór anywhere Instagram, anywhere ar Twitter agus anywhere ar TikTok mu gurí James Amsterdam na man host is mar flair tach ar Instagram, flair tach ar Twitter agus flair tach ar TikTok. Agus bet gar Hen Amsterdam ar na man host mar Hugh Carr ar Instagram, Hugh Carr ar Twitter, agus just gra Hugh Carr ar TikTok. Well éon dat a gaiimiid a flugál inis solar chain which éon gaiimiid
Nope.
in that will fundraiser agus a James go fáil the Jenny.
Yeah, full scale daily. What's the thing here? Donate all. There's a logo of the Irish Cancer Society. So the 100 sorted home. I got a new Toronto home. If I give me go further here, I guess much the toy on reads go the whole urban AFL across the Northern Hemisphere. So yeah, so much we get donated to link in my bio. I guess basically non added who's because the Irish Cancer Society. It means a lot. Ar agrachta gar go chrí agus agus bhí deirteachta just going tácate tá mu ben go má Wormwood the London All-Stars agus Wormwood France 2 wins out of 2 Hull of London so on Jersey bhí an go Jim Steins Luoch go chud na hearing if more would like Jim Steins Brown the Susa scale it's pretty fucking cool Tim no Austral agus é 8 taréis cho fógra ach eiceáil popper nuachta gon AFL I Lorug Immery and he became one of the greats. So was ben go má tá Jersey sin is retired 2 wins out of 2 never to be worn again so that's cool agus was golfúnis agus ní an nach charta mí fácaí goodí on tournament so we're looking good. So
mission I was gonna say mission the fecal mission or like stream all that.
Yeah, bitch I streamed
Unreal.
Streaming platform on. It's Canada. It's North America, you know. They got the media companies.
They got the
media
from
companies.
from the deep south.
The deep south. Bei buinte de an gweilcht áú frisin an chun cúnaúirtó le mo anm so
Be séol.
Bearing watch party anu aine or James Book so gnne.
agus rud is seir faoi má bhíon agus le chun é bé mu sa clu canis bh sé sin an níos am a saharing den dúnach like I real leg like a dónú trí but obviously le oh no was I shouldn't lower margin wouldn't it that's the time difference is minus isn't it Beamish go raw is going to be ahead but no
be dáthgur margin díobse so be like what like a 8 tróna dúine
No sin rá go do sé
or like
no there was a dóchlog tróna hall chin it's bhí mat cartam. Why did I second question myself? Yeah, so like rud is faoi de Sahara news a dúna na bhchan clúicears ag dóchlog ó se agatise ag like an hocht sa tróna so that would be like ideal something to watch while you're pointing.
Biden to put it up on the pub. Tá charan sin
No even hí ag beag go a riocht atrin
Tá har mai. Right, okay. Galan. Caiimi right bhá gé surprise ganhfuil bu drasrí scoile ganhfuil le agadú the Seansálaithe a go dtí sin buí sult as an Jerry Shafting agus hopefully be me rá pí amháin béle feiceáil. Compass gasar go bh fiochttóg muis mú do a recount in this. There you go. I think I have the full set. Anyway, right. Good luck, but he's also Jerry Shafting. Bu drasrí ganhfuil. Slán.